Beach, here we come. Beach, here we come. Yeah, yeah. Hey everyone! Good morning, or no, good afternoon. We are in Hicham Beach and let's go ahead and enjoy. Alright guys, we are now heading to the beach. It's been a while since I've been on the beach. He is enjoying it so freaking much, and tomorrow he's gonna go on a bike ride, so he's gonna be even more burnt.
Hong Kong.
It's called Hicham Beach, and yeah, it's a rare random beach that we found. Did not even think about it, just wanted to go to the beach, and here we are. I should have brought my umbrella. Be under the shade. So nice to be on the beach and just enjoy the sun and the summer finally, because it was on my birthday. I was expecting for us to go to the beach, but the weather was a little bit cold.
You're adorable.
You're so tan already. Itchy. Oh, your face is so warm. I'm gonna continue relaxing and we'll see how much tan I get. I really want some tan lines, that's why I'm on the beach. Here's a bee.
Right in here.
He's doing an ab workout. Show us. Is that an ab workout? Oh, that looks weird. Stop it. You see, people are passing by and you're doing that. You're such a weirdo. What the heck?
I'm airing out balls.
As we're done getting some tan, we are just gonna go walk around the beach and find some food. Ice cream for us. Hopefully this one has it. Alright guys, so we finally found an ice cream. He only have 5 pounds with him, so we only bought 2 scoops of ice cream. But it would be nice to cut through the hotness of the day. So let's eat some ice cream, and now we're headed to Halford's, I think. Hi everyone! So Josh brought us to this little pub and it's pretty nice out here. Food price is pretty decent, a little expensive.
I was expecting it to be warm. It's not bad though.
Me too. I'm expecting it to be grilled and all that. Guys, so we got our food. Are you happy with your food so far? We're gonna enjoy our food, and yes, we're at this pub called Foldgate Inn. We're just gonna enjoy our afternoon and eat some food after the beach. So thanks, love, for bringing us here. Sure, that would be good.
It is definitely a British standard. Good. Good job. Here you go.
Whee!
Really? I just got home. I'm already being filmed.
Hey everyone, we are back from the beach and it was fun. It kind of gave me a little headache, but it was nice. It was low tide, so I did not really also plan step on the water. I just want to relax, have some tan, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go upstairs and I don't know what I'm gonna do, but he's gonna relax tomorrow. He's gonna do a bike ride, so
We're gonna prepare for it tonight.
mm-hmm.
Too close.
No, it's not.
No, look up.
Hey!
Machine come with me.
But you don't want to bring me.
That's not the reason.
But-
What's the real reason?
But you should just bring a baby carrier.
What's the real reason?
I can sit in the back.
Because somebody can't ride a bike?
Because I can't ride a bike.
And she doesn't want to go outside and practice? After I bought her a bike last year.
No, 2 years ago. I look like crap.
You
Look at that forehead.
look so pretty.
You can land on.
Can you see me? Hiding. Hiding.
Can definitely see you with that hat. Turn around. I want to see the back. If I can see. Ooh.
Look, I'm looking backwards. See? You can't tell.
Make sure you're good to go and your bike is good to go and everything's safe. It works.
Thank you so much. You're the best.
You're the bestest. Take care. I love you.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your bike ride. You're so bright, my love. They can actually see you. And we're gonna start picking some strawberries. Come, come.
I'm here.
I'm excited because I love strawberries. The heck?
You're like a British guard now. A royal guard.
I can't see though. It's such a nice day. Oh, what the heck is going on?
Oh no!
Okay, never mind. You're failing. Strawberries for shortcake, is for some smoothie. So yeah, we will have a lot of strawberries because this bucket you can fill it and it's only for £7 if it's the same price as before. So strawberries for days.
I bet you can figure out which ones I chose.
Mine is the red ones.
Yours, and the rest of it has been taken video, and I picked the rest.
I found my first big strawberry. I found more big shrubs. Hey, they're hiding. This guy right here is mine. Did I do well, love?
You did well all the time. Always doing well.
Yay! Weird. Josh is back there picking some golden raspberries. We haven't had that before, but it'll be interesting to taste it for the first time. You want me to get it? This one? Hey. Here's my little farmer.
Being a farmer.
You enjoying being a farmer? We're definitely gonna be a farmer when we get older. Golden raspberries.
That's golden. Almost there.
You enjoying it?
I fell this whole thing.
Cause
I'm eating them all today.
ooh,
When you won.
I don't care. I'll steal one.
Uh,
We're done with strawberry picking from Lidgate Farm.
strawberries and raspberries produce. There's 9 pounds, which I don't know if you actually save money off of it. Oh, there's an ant. Get out of here, ant. It was nice, relaxing. Got to just come out and get your own. So if you don't like the strawberries at the bottom, and the ones in the commissary because they're always rotten, you have no excuse because you picked them all.
There you go.